nhớ trong ý trongผู้หญิงsẽ đời dọn nó trong xuyên này bây giờ khá là cần đang kịp cho một trâu lúa hoặc kho tiếp lâu nè lúa hoặc kho present perfect continuous tense dọn bây giờ một sai cho ní nhảm lên để thì sẽ đi dọn thế cho không sang lên starter nữa nè nhớ trong tờ lúa hoặc kho present perfect continuous đó nè sẽ trong trả bên một sau kia dọn để thì sẽ đi nó chỉ là hai mươi main lên nói how to use we use to main time ya bé xí nó đâu all lúc xưa chẳng chẳng nè như lúc thì ý nó chỉ xí hay cho thì ya it is used for an actions that have recently started or just started that is a connection with now nè ya lúc khó thì ý nó chỉเลยแต่นิยามที่อีnó chỉหนึ่งหายจอกันก็ทำเลยแต่cái ý là nó chỉ có quaนะหนึ่งเดเลยแต่หยกคนเดนะนะเจหนึ่งตอนเนื่องเราจอเราตัดสินเอาเท่าเนาะหนึ่งตัวเราตัดสินเอานะอย่าเจสิ่งนี้เรารู้สึกหันเถอะนิยามที่อีนะนิยามที่อ้อเจ it is used to say how long for unfinished action which started in the past and continues to the present เนี่ยรู้ว่าเขาที่อ้ออย่างให้จอเต็มๆบริจานะเขาก็ต่อปีปุตตะอดีตในชีวิตตานั่นน่ะอันนึงเราจอบปัจจุบันเด้อนั้นเอกข้อที่อ้อนะมาเนี่ยให้จอรู้สมมุติเดี๋ยวก็ไว้อย่างนั้นสินะก็ปีปุตตะอดีตแต่ชิก็ว่าตอนนึงเราจอเราตัดสินเอาในชีวิตเดียวเท่านั้นเจในสิ่งที่เรารู้สึกนั่นนะ the present perfect continuous ในเมื่อ all นิยามหลักๆเลยเนาะนะจะเป็นมาใช้ในเจ้าของสร้างอย่างเจ้าของสร้างnhớ trò lúa tiền nè tiền thế phải xin là chỉ cho ní nhảm thế đời chỉ tứ sai cho tỏ party ý vậy chỉ giờ từ từ họ sắp bao sẵn trái là họ một sai lúc họ khó tao nè chỉ nhớ trò để không sang là vậy positive là chỉ subject both have both has have là has vậy both been both verb xong ing both object lúc nó chỉ lúc không sang nhớ trò để part tiền nó chỉ được to nương là đểตอนเรื่องเราแต่ว่ารู้ passive present perfect นะอย่าตัวเวอร์ในเวอร์ซ่องเป้นะจะชัวตัวเวอร์ในเวอร์ซ่องเป้นะจะรู้ของสร้างเราในป้องยอดเรา passive แต่present perfect แต่เชียเวอร์ซ่อง ing นะจะในยอดเรา present perfect continuous เลยอย่างในตอนเรื่องอย่าเตียนในตัวมันจะในตรงนี้แต่นะจะของสร้างเรามาในชี้ตอนเรื่องจะชัวใน negative not yes no จะใช้ have ในหมวดตัวdo continuous nó chỉ tu vơ nó chủ vơ xong nâng ing nhớ đâu chỉ hay nhớ đâu xong từ à số lúc không sáng nhớ đâu để có trên à nếu số lúc chỉ thì nhớ đâu present là thì nhớ đâu lúc không sáng thì anh nhớ mua continuous đó thì do để tu vơ này vơ xong ing xí nè dạ chỉ bao lúc không sáng là nhớ đâu chạm nhớ đâu tiền nè chỉ phải sai passive à passive nhớ đâu bao nhiêu bóc lâu chỉ subject bao đâu have has บวกบินบวกบีอินเนาะบวกเวอร์ซ่องเป๊ะบวกใบออกจากแต่เนาะเราจะละเสริมตัวเนาะตัวบีอินเนาะเอาตัวเวอร์เนาะปอมเอาเวอร์ซ่องเป๊ะนะจะช่วยประโยชน์อะไรอย่างเขาเรารู้เนาะจะเมื่อจับเราแพสซิ่งนะจะก้อนกาเชียเอตี้กันแล้วเนาะจะแพสซิ่งก้อนกาเชียเท่าในช่วงเสริมตัวเนาะที่เป่าตัวเวอร์เนาะจะช่วยตัวจะช่วยรู้ของสร้างเนี่ยเราแพสซิ่งกับตัวเวอร์เนาะเวอร์ซ่องเป๊ะตั้งท้องนะตั้งเตรู้ present simple จนเราพูดต่อ future perfect continuous là ý dạng của nó cho con sáng nó là chỉ cá sấu cho con sáng nó ta là nó chỉ một sai tuổi giang mê mê ạ tuổi giang mê mê cho đời etic thế phải xin cái cú đó nè thật ra một kỹ lo đi nó có đâu lựa chỉ dùng cá sấu giờ tụ họ chỉ tông cá sấu trong này thì có phân khi đi nó mà พื่อเราthì dùng bao này ạ thầu dùng sập bao bao nhiêu một trâu tọ sập bao tọ nó là trâu tọ nọ nè giờ chỉ giờ có bao etic mà phải xin là chỉ subject trâu nhai một object họ tụ vơ nó sẽ vơ xong ý xong o xong pé lại nhai một tao nói ý là xong pé họ object của nó chỉ nhai một số tao nó chỉ là subject là tao có nhai một phải xin nè chỉ một số tuổi dạng kia nè tuổi dạng thì ý giờ Peter has been teaching the advanced classes for more than 6 years nèแต่เขาคุยสีเลี้ยnó chỉ nhớ đâu có kia nè chỉ bảo một bảo một passive mà chỉ the order advanced class nó còn là object á chỉ có chỉ một object đó nó chỉ có nhái một đôi tập facing là chỉ là subject là chỉ còn nó là subject chỉ từ have nó chỉ nhớ là họ cũng follow từ số nó be in từ vơ nó xong pe teaching là từ teach nó nhái nhớ vơ xong pe giờ taught yeah. The advanced classes has been taught by Peter for more than 6 years nè chỉ khó for more than 6 years nó họ nó nhớ khó sớm chỉ là bao nhiêu là nên buat nên tất cả sẽ là nhớ họ cũng có họ nói chỉ bảo hú bé nè họ nói có nhái tất cả cho họ họ có in tại họ thì họ nói subject tụi nó have tụi nó be in tụi nó tụ vợ họ nói như nhớ đâu in tại không sáng lại chỉ tụ vợ nó chỉ vợ chỉ là cho em gì gì á chỉ có bảo múa với song sàm chỉ có mà đi bảo sẽ có sai là tụ vợ là hay vợ nên bảo hú bé là chỉ bảo hú bé mà chỉ có mà đi in tại để bao nhiêu đỡ chỉ nhớ đâu nóจะพี่เดอตอกเขียนเตอนะอย่าพี่เดอเขียนเตอสั้นสูงเลยแต่ขั้นสูงเลยสั้นสูงเลยลอนเดชาลิเจ้าลูกชงนะถ้าปีเตอร์นั่นแหละอย่าจะเขาก้าเนาะเดี๋ยวสั้นเหียนเลยแต่สั้นเหียนสั้นสูงนั่นแหละนึกcái xe nàyนึกเจ้าเขียเราแต่ปีเตอร์เดชาลิเจ้าลูกชงแหละนะจะจะนั่นนึกจะเขียแท้นะอย่า for more than 6 years แต่สินึกเขียนเดชาเจ้าลูกชงแต่สิจะนั่นเรานึกจะเขียแท้นะอย่างนี้เราเนี่ยเรารู้หัวข้อ present perfect continuous นั่นมันเนี่ยสีปุ๊บต่อเราต้นเนี่ยสักแต่เนาะมาใช้รู้ที่อ้ออย่างแล้วก็ว่าจะเสียปฏิเสธใช่ไหมปฏิเสธเจก็เมื่อขอนนอตดอเสียอย่าง Peter has not haven't been teaching the basic classes for more than 6 years ตัว A นะจะ ethic ตัว P นะ passive เจ object เจเขาเนาะเจเอาตัวเนาะเจThe basic class has haven't been taught by Peter for more than 6 years. Peter นึกชิตเอาเขียนแต่ขั้นพื้นฐานนะอย่าหล่อนเดชาลิตอลุชงนะนึกชิตเอาเขียนเลยนึกชิตเอาเขียนขั้นพื้นฐานนะอย่า basic เจหล่อนเดลิตอลุชงเขาขนาดขั้นพื้นฐานแต่หล่อนเนี่ยสั้นเหียนเลยแต่ห้องเหียนขั้นพื้นฐานแล้วเรานึกชิตเอาเจ้าเขียนหล่อนเดปีเตอร์ลิดว่าเดชาลิตอลุชงเทียเนาะchỉ nhớ đọc bao nhiêu thì bé vậy bao nhiêu thì bé là bao nhiêu cẩm thản nè ở size hẹp nè hoặc bao nhiêu thì bao là size W không nói thì bé vậy Has Peter been teaching the advanced classes for more than 6 years cái bảo mẫu hô bem từ passive have the advanced classes been taught by Peter for more than 6 years bao nhiêuคำถามแล้วเรานำไซต์ W อย่าง Where have she been teaching English recently เป่ามันจะนอนเราเนี่ย follow แต่ของสร้างจะ W นอนเนี่ยย้อนเนี่ยเรียกนะเป่าเนี่ยนอกเสีย English object ย้ายเราเนี่ย subject ตัว verb เป่ามาคู่แบบนะ Where have English been taught by her recently นะอย่างเด็กลูกหัวข้อเนาะจะlà lạc trên cho cái tàu ní nhảm thế này xí rồi sửa từ thế cho không sang lúc không sang nó không chỉ để ti phải sinh này cái xí nó hơi giàu nè có một bỏ có thể có một nhàng tới bỏ li nó sẽ chỉ có bao tiểu bao nhiêu nó này bông nhau đầu present nó lại bông nhau đầu lúc bên nó là bông nhau đầu lúc bên nó lại nó chỉ ok dù chấm này tàu thì thầu dù hay dù xí là dù sau tên cái bao nhiêu từ là dù cầm được cho lúc không sang chỉ follow trời nó chỉ chỉ chui vào kệ nếu như gì đâu dù thế ở trong tàu đó sẽ được bắt sấy nè khi mê là li nói rằng có thể họ chỉ trâu họ bây chỉ cho là họ thọ ra gì nè ở trong tàu đó sẽ được